Friends, happy is not the one who is good luck, but happy is the one who is happy with his luck. Some people hurt us with their words, and some people with their actions. But the most painful thing is when someone ignores you. If someone you value and he ignores you, remove him from your heart, because there is no place for you in his heart. If you forget the sorrows and move forward, you may find all that was lost. But if you carry this sorrow with you, then you will ruin the rest of your life with your own hands. Therefore, friends, learn to make peace at every point of life, because the one who bends is the one who is life. The stubborn is the sign of the dead. Human nature is also very strange. Friends, a wound is only what is hidden. What is told becomes a joke, so don't tell everyone about your grief, because people are happy to sprinkle salt on wounds instead of putting ointment on them. We became a tree, sharing shade and time, and bit by bit of my own. Who says that a person doesn't change color once you speak the truth to someone's face? Difficulties in our lives are not as big as we make them out to be. We must always remember that just as a tree with fallen leaves does not grow new leaves, similarly, good days do not come without trials and difficulties. Make it a rule of your life that you never ask for respect from people, but do things in such a way that they are forced to respect you. So, friends, get so busy in grooming yourself that you don't have time to criticize others, and never complain about not remembering people, because the person who can forget his Lord can forget everyone. It is a bitter truth of life that when time passes, people forget and make themselves cry for no reason. And always remember that some people will give you nothing but pain, so give them your all. Therefore, if you have to bend down to manage relationships, then bend down. But if you have to bend down again and again, then bend down.